If you haven't still used a system for your writing, this is high time you use one and become a more efficient writer. And this applies no matter what kind of writing you do and what kind of company you work for. You need to know why a system is important. Otherwise, you will write in a random process and not be efficient. So, here are my rationales for you. The first one is you will save time starting from today every day. That means you will have time to do more projects, and that means you will have financial stability. My next rationale is having a process will help you to get started with the dreadful tasks. Unless you have been writing the same content again and again, every new project will bring you new challenges. And there will be variety, diversity. You will have a hard time at the beginning of a project to understand from where you want to start. And in these cases, having this system in place will help you to overcome procrastination. And finally, your clients will be more satisfied because of the high quality of the work and the fast turnover time. They will hire you back. They will also give you good feedback and referrals. So that will encourage other clients to come and hire you.